smells wonderful, doesn't it?
Yes! Can I help stir?
Of course. Here you go. Ready for our adventure?
Yes! Let's go! Wow, it's so beautiful!
It is. Hold on tight.
Look, a kingfisher! It's so fast!
Look how beautiful it is.
It's magical, Mom. Wow, look at that big tree!
It is. We're almost there.
Can we go closer?
Of course. Hold on tight. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Wow, what is it?
Hold it steady now.
Look at all the trees! This is the best!
The fire's burning nicely now.
It is. It's warm.
Good. It'll keep us safe.
What's that sound in the trees?
Just the jungle. We're safe here. Look at the sunset. It's beautiful.
Wow, it's so pretty!
Keep paddling. We'll go a bit further.
Mom, look at the fireflies!
They're beautiful, aren't they? Like little stars.
Can we catch one?
Maybe tomorrow. For now, let's just watch. The rain is so heavy today.
Yes, but I like watching it.
Look at the stream. It's rising.
The plants look happy.
The rain is so heavy
Welcome
today. Home, my child. The storm is fierce tonight.
I was worried, but I knew you'd be waiting.
Of course. Now, let's eat this warm soup. Careful, it's very hot.
Okay!
Here you go.
It's so good!
Hold on tight, the current is strong.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good. Paddle steady with me.
Yes!
The rain makes everything so magical, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's like a secret world.
We're drifting with the current now.
I feel safe with you.
Here you go, sweetie. It's still warm.
Wow, it smells so good! Thank you!
You're welcome. Be careful, it's hot.
It's delicious!
What a beautiful day for this.
It's amazing! Can we go faster? Look, over there!
I see it. So peaceful. Yeah, I love this.
Wow, it's raining so hard!
It is, but the river is calm.
Can we go further?
Of course. Let's see what's ahead. Hold them steady, Renji.
Okay, I am.
Good. These will make a fine fire.
For our adventure?
Yes, our special adventure.
Yay! The boat is ready?
Almost. Let's go.
Here you go, my son. A bite for you. Thank you, Mama. It's delicious.
I'm glad. Eat well.
The stream is so pretty today.
It is peaceful.
Wake up, sleepyhead. We're here.
Oh, wow.
Look at the trees.
It's so green.
Let's go explore. Keep your stroke steady, like this.
Okay, this is fun.
Good. Look, there's the hut.
Wow, can we go closer? Wow, Mom, this place is amazing.
It is. This river is so peaceful.
Can we go see the waterfall?
Of course. Let's keep paddling. It smells wonderful, doesn't it?
Yes, Mama. What's in it?
Just a little longer. You can taste it. I'm glad you like it.
Look, a boat.
It is. Shall we go for a ride?
Yes, let's go.
All right, hold on tight.
Wow, it's so peaceful.
It is.